Right, here I am, Dave the Rave, roving the rock at Kildonan, out on a walk, looking over from where the waterfall is at Kildonan towards Ailsa Craig. Can't see Bladder from here, but it's just over to the left. And you know, it's making me laugh. And it is and we've just walked past lots of sheep on the beach, which was interesting. It's funny to see them on it because they're usually on the grass. It seemed a bit strange, but very nice and relaxing at the same time. This is where we are, and that's the little path, and it's taking me for us to this. I'm going to go off towards it and see what it's like, and hopefully not fall over, because there's quite a bit of water in this waterfall. Despite the fact it's not raining, it's been a pleasant surprise. I can see brown water coming over the top. So that was just to show you where I am, and this is going to show you where I'm going to. Just going to go up this little path. The path is kind of rough. Got to be careful, but it's okay. It's a made path, but it's a bit overgrown. You can see what I'm walking through here. It's a stony path, but it's a bit rough underfoot, but anybody can get here really, as long as a bit of walk. What I'll do, I'll not point it right at the waterfall right now, because that'll give it away. I'll just carry on looking at the path. You can hear the water getting noisier though. This is an impressive fall actually, to be honest. Definitely come at the right time. I'm almost there. Oh, last wee stony bit. Right, I'm waiting for the... Okay. Check this. I'm not talking this, I'm just letting you experience this and the noise of it. I'm a good mix, you know. This is amazing. I'm really enjoying this. I've not seen a waterfall like this. I'll pan it back a bit so you can see more of it. Love that. That is gorgeous. An impressive fall. And I'd forgotten that it was as impressive as this. I love it. The brown water at the top. The massively high cliffs going around the top. I'll just pan round to them. Some spray about the place here as well. It's almost vertical all around here. Trees on the left. Beautiful walk to get here from the end of Kildonan at the south end of Kildonan. Half a mile from the road just along the path. And you get this. I love this place sometime. How lucky am I? How lucky are we? Okay. That'll do, I think. Dave the Rave, closing the dock. Over now. Cheers.